Hello guys, welcome to Big Pizza. If you're watching this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment down below. And today we're going to learn how to make money online. And so welcome guys. The three apps we're going to use for today's video on how to make money online are Secure VPN, Chrome, and Gmail. We're using Secure VPN because this website is located for people in the United Kingdom. First of all, you open Chrome, then we search 20cog.co.uk. So if this is your first time over here, you'll be asked to sign up, and the sign up is very easy. They pay you real money on PayPal or in your bank account, and they pay on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And this is a legit way of making money. Just completing simple offers like signing up on your website and just spending £1, 1 penny to get a lot of money. So if you And I'm really honest, these offers are so simple that you can make a lot of money. And look, just 2 minutes ago, I just made £18 and 50 pennies. So, peace out. And there's a giveaway for the first person to subscribe to this video. That person is getting this account for free. Peace out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.